This is the White Box stove, made in Montana by fellow outdoorsman Bill Ballou. It's made from recycled aluminium beer bottles, so it's tough, durable and only 30 grams. The windshield supplied with it is made from a very malleable thin aluminium sheet, and it's long enough to go around most pans. New for 2020 and beyond is a thick wire pot support stand, which increases the stability when using large wide pans. Finally, you have some instructions, bringing the total weight to 108 grams. Once lit, the alcohol heats to create a vapor and the stove blooms. The side burner holes ignite and the pan gets placed on top to maintain pressure. Naturally, a pan 10 centimeters or wider containing liquid or food can be unstable sitting on top of a 6 centimeter diameter stove. So the new pot support, which is exactly the right height, provides reliable stability. In use, place the stove on a flat surface and ensure the pot stand is assembled correctly. Roll out the windshield and clip together, allowing for about an inch extra around the pan for airflow. The White Box has a maximum capacity of 80 milliliters of fuel, which will give a burn time in the region of 15 minutes. The easiest way to light it is with a fire steel, taking care not to burn yourself. In this example, on a warm sunny day, I've put 500 ml of cold water in the pan. You can now clearly see the side burner holes have bloomed, so it's time to put on the pan and start the clock. Thanks to the intense heat the White Box emits, we now have a rolling boil in under 5 minutes. The White Box Stove 2020 now comes as a complete package. However, the pot stand is available as an individual item for previous customers.